Here's how to add audio to your Google Slides presentation in under a minute. To insert audio into your slide, click the Insert menu and choose Audio. Next, select the audio file you want to use, then click Insert. You'll see the audio icon appear in the corner of your slide. To control audio playback options, click the speaker icon on your slide. Then, head to the toolbar and select Format Options. From there, you can easily toggle the playback options to suit your needs, and the audio icon appears in the corner. To position and hide the audio icon, click and drag the speaker icon to your desired location. You can also resize it by using the corner handle. Finally, enable the option to hide the icon when presenting. You'll see the audio icon neatly positioned and hidden during your presentation. Generate decks like this in 30 seconds. Try Slidee at slidee.ai.